In this video, I want to take you through a TradeMiner Forex trade that we're considering. And as you see, this is the first tab, and we've gone through our search criteria, and we've come up with these results. And here's the top 5 results that I've selected here, and I've moved them over into my portfolio. And I've taken a close look at these, and the one I'm kind of settling on is this EUR USD trade. It starts September 30th, so we still have a couple of days before this one starts. It ends October 22nd. We have a winning ratio on this one of 83%, which is very close to the rest of them. And the thing that's kind of drawing my attention to it, it's EUR USD, and it's 238 pip profit potential. Now it does have a downside of 145 pips, but I think that's manageable with the 238 pip upside. So I'm going to take a look at this one. Let's jump over to the software, and this is how we put this into Track and Trade. And in Track and Trade, we're going to bring this in here, and what's exciting me about this particular trade is it's corresponding perfectly with the underlying technical nature of this market, which, as you can see, we have a nice little pennant formation or triangle formation that's forming off of this this particular market. Now I'm gonna lessen that steep of that angle and come off of one of these right here in the center, and you can see that this is kind of where this market's looking to come. I'm going to remove this one, but we have kind of this nice little triangle formation. Now our TradeMiner trade was telling us that this market was going to start to rally around, what did it say? September 30th, right? So October, September 30th. So in a couple days we've got until it said out until October 22nd. So if we come out to the 22nd, about into this region here. Now we bring in our risk calculator. We can draw this in here and measure that up. We said that the average profit on this was about, if we swing back over to TradeMiner, the average profit was 238 and the average draw was 145. So we're just gonna kind of draw that in here. I like to put that in there just so we can keep mindful of what TradeMiner was telling us. And so we're going to come up here and draw this up 238 pips. So let's come up here, 238 pips. That's close enough. 240. Right up in that region there. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the downside. I want to make sure that we pay attention to our downside risk and don't ever ignore the downside potential. We have to protect ourselves against that. So that's 145. So 145 right around there. That's close enough. 145, and we don't need this one, so we can close that one up. So we have 144 on the bottom side and 240 on the top. Let's come in here and just for fun, let's turn this one red so that we can see it a little bit better. And I think that looks good right there. So now what we're looking for is this market to rally up, bounce off of this this particular triangle formation. In reality, we're looking for it to break through the triangle formation and come up and test this area of resistance across the top of the triangle formation because of this particular box that we're looking at. And you'll notice if we go through the count, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the upside would be 6. So that would be our 3 across the top, 3 across the bottom. That we're looking for the breakout, and of course in this particular case we're looking for it to break out high. And that would be using TradeMiner to help us make the decision on where we anticipate this market rising to throughout this next few weeks in this trade.